Welcome back to our channel. In today's session, we're taking a journey from chaos to clarity in the world of bank reconciliation, specifically within NetSuite. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner, mastering this process can unlock significant advantages for your financial operations. So, let's dive right in. Bank reconciliation. It isn't just a monthly chore. It's a crucial financial health checkup. It ensures that your financial records match your bank statements. Advanced modules in NetSuite. NetSuite offers advanced modules that take bank reconciliation to the next level. Features such as multi-currency support, advanced financial reporting, and customizable dashboards allow you to tailor the reconciliation process to fit your business needs. With the ability to connect directly to bank feeds, categorize transactions automatically, and integrate with other financial data, here are some practical tips to help you succeed in bank reconciliation using NetSuite. Regularly schedule reconciliation tasks to avoid pileups at month end. Maintain clear communication with your bank to understand any transaction discrepancies. Take advantage of training resources and community forums for ongoing support. And there you have it. In this video, we're going to learn all about the bank reconciliation process in NetSuite. We'll focus on manually importing a bank file, matching transactions, and reconciling the account. First, we need to import the bank file. In NetSuite, this can be done in two ways: manual import or direct bank sync. For this demo, we'll manually import the file. Navigate to Transactions, Banking Import History, and click Upload File. On the Upload File page, select Import with the default parser. NetSuite provides a pre-designed CSV template, which we can download under Download the CSV template for sample. Format your file accordingly. Once your file is ready, click Choose File. Select the bank file for a demo. I am using the demo file, and choose the account, such as 1046 SM Bank. Finally, click Import. To check the import status, go back to Transactions, Banking Import History. Banking Import History page appears here. We can view the status as completed. If any errors occur, we can delete the import, and here we can review the error details and re-upload the file. Once the file is imported, the next step is to match the transactions. Navigate to Transactions, click Match Bank Data. On the Match Bank Data page, select the account and click the Review tab to view matched records. For demonstration purposes, I'll undo a matched transaction. Next, navigate to the To Be Matched tab. Here, you can see the file we imported earlier. This file already exists as a record in NetSuite, ready to be matched. Select the record and click on Run Reconciliation Rules. Alternatively, we can use reconciliation automation by navigating to Transactions, Reconciliation Rules. Here, we can view default rules, and also we can customize a new rules by clicking on New Rule button. Then the matching rule window appears. Here we can enter the rule name and conditions. After adding all the conditions, click Save. Now, on the Match Bank Data page, we can view the records we've added. To match a record, simply click the match icon. Then, switch to the Review tab to see a detailed view of the matched records. Once it's done, click Submit button. Here we can view the pop-up notification that NetSuite is processing transactions. After matching transactions, proceed to reconcile the account statement. Navigate to Transactions, Reconcile Account Statement, List. On this page, select the account, which will autofill the end date, and enter the ending balance. For example, I am adding 5,000 for this demo. Review the matched transactions. Click the Reconcile tab, and confirm the close date when prompted. Once reconciled, the status in the statement will show as Closed. Reconciled Statement window appears. Here we can view the status as Closed. For a detailed reconciliation report, go to Reports, Banking/Budgeting, Reconciliation. The Reconciliation Summary page opens, where we can view the reports. Click View Details for an in-depth summary, ensuring the total reconciled balance matches the bank balance. We've successfully completed the bank reconciliation process in NetSuite. from importing the bank file to matching transactions and reconciling the account. By leveraging the power of NetSuite and its advanced features, you can master bank reconciliation and shift from chaos to clarity in your financial management. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your experiences with bank reconciliation in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.